fruits. Very yummy fruits. This is apple. This is orange. This is lemon. Very yummy. I like this one. Look at, guys. Now it's bare month. We need vitamin C, so we must eat more orange like this because we need vitamin C for our resistance, body resistance. Yeah, look, this is fruits, fresh fruits. Yummy, yummy. Take it, guys. You can take it one by one. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You can open. Oh, how to open? Because I hold the camera, that's why I can't open the quickly. Oh my god. I'm sorry, guys. Look at what happened to the orange. Wait. Oh. Yummy. It's so yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look. So yummy, guys. We need to eat this for vitamin C. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Please support my channel, guys. I need your support to reach my 1K followers. Please, guys, support my channel. Bye bye, guys.